Hello everyone, today we've got here HUAWEI Mate 70 and let me show you how to add a fingerprint to this device. So at first, open the settings, then find and select biometrics and password and mark fingerprint ID. At first you need to set some lock screen so it can be used as a backup to your fingerprint. Once it is set, obviously pick another one. I just picked this easy one for the tutorial. So once it is set, just mark unlock device. And as you can see, fingerprint sensor is located on your power button. So let me grab phone just like this. And now, in most convenient way, just keep tapping till your fingerprint is fully added. Slide and circle. You can also lift your finger up and then hold it for a while, however you like, however you prefer. But the sliding method works here pretty well. Okay, now I need to lift it up a bit. So as you can see, it has been done. You can use it also here. Let me cancel it. And from now on, you'll be able to unlock your device with this fingerprint only. So it's working pretty quick and easy. Here you can enter the PIN or use this fingerprint. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.